Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics, internet access and available disk space because a stalled download wastes time. Open the built-in browser, Edge, then search for the official Chrome download. You need administrator rights to install system software, so sign in as an admin or get the admin password now. Once the download begins, watch progress in the browser's downloads bar. If it pauses, retry. These steps ensure the installer file arrives intact and you're authorized to run it. You run the installer by double-clicking the downloaded exe in Downloads. That triggers setup. When user account control appears, allow the change so installation can proceed. This is a security checkpoint. Follow the prompts, agree to the terms, accept default settings unless you need different privacy options, and let Chrome install. Installation takes a minute or two. Once done, Chrome launches automatically. Make it your default browser if you want Google search on the address bar every time you open links. You finish by setting Google as the default search engine inside Chrome's settings so address bar searches use Google. Sign into your Google account to sync bookmarks, passwords, and extensions. This keeps your data consistent across devices. If the install fails, try re-downloading the installer, temporarily disable third-party antivirus that can block setup, or use Chrome's offline installer from the browser. If you still hit errors, reboot and run the installer as administrator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.